whether you're painting this on a hot summer afternoon or a gray day in January, this is going to make you happy. Oh, hi. Hey, I'm Ronnie Walter, and I have a really cute video for you today. We are continuing our series of drawing in our watercolor sketchbook, picking one topic and going with it. And so today it is these ice lollies, various ice cream treats. And this was super fun to do. I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to follow along with me. Make it your own, of course. Of course, that's what I want for you. Make it your own and have a wonderful time. So let's paint some ice cream treats, shall we? The one thing I always do when I draw in my practice book or my sketchbook is I pretty much start with my pen. It's not for everybody. So I prefer to just challenge myself to work with just the pen. Does it always work? Of course not. There are times I think, oh golly, I wish I could fix that. But I don't. I have to just live with what I've got. And that could be a life lesson, or it could just be a drawing lesson. You get to decide that. But I just love drawing. I love the sound of ink on paper. When a pen hits the paper, it's just a lovely sound. And I just can't think of anything I would rather do than draw and paint. I mean, there's a lot of things in life that I love. One of them is having people around my dining room table. That makes me so happy. There's something about people gathering together that makes me happy. I'm not sure what you like to do when you draw. Sometimes I will put on a movie or a show. Not very often. I'll listen to music, or sometimes I just draw because I really like the silence. And I can get distracted very easily. Okay, so these are kind of blobby sprinkles. They're kind of large, but who wouldn't love a large sprinkle? People have asked me why I do this double line. And part of the reasons I do a double line is because if I screw it up, if I was trying to do just a flat line, if I screwed it up, then it would look funny. But also, I don't want like a really strong, solid line, because I think for me, it just looks too cartoony, and that's not the look that I'm after. Let's do kind of a couple more peeking out so it looks sort of normal. That's a bit odd, but hey, that's the way it goes. Okay, let's think about, let's do a little cup of ice cream. I'm trying to think about different shapes and where I can have opportunity for color, because ice cream and ice cream treats are just so festive looking. And we'll put a cherry on there because we need a cherry on top of things. And when I'm drawing, even though I've been drawing for a really long time, when I draw an object, I think about the shape. And when I teach drawing, we talk about shapes all the time, that everything is a shape. So right now, okay, I just drew that. That is basically a rectangle. If we broke that down, it would be a rectangle right here and then a half a circle. So everything can be broken down into shapes. Very cute. Oh, you know what's funny? This is going to be a funny thing. Okay, when it comes to, weird things to eat in the summer, this has got to be the weirdest. Every once in a while I see them and they hearken me back to my childhood. And that is that frozen solid thing of sugar and water. I forget what they're called. They're kind of a push-up kind of thing. But anyway, very inexpensive, pretty bad. Okay, and then the other weirdo thing, and someone said, who knew that we'd make something to eat that is packaged in a toilet paper tube with those push-up pops. They're like sherbet, I guess. So those should have some sort of nice design on them. Something very summery. I lived in England for a while, and the ice lollies, as they're referred to in England, are always so cute. They had really cute names, and they had really cute shapes. And I always had fun with that. So let's do we'll just do kind of a silly, this is my nod to my friends in the UK, because I'm sure there's a smiley face one. I'm sure there is. Okay, well, I just drew a whole bunch of ice lollies. Really cute, and we're gonna have fun making patterns and things on these. Now, what would ice lollies be without sprinkles, right? Okay, so we're just gonna draw some sprinkles. I don't know if everyone calls the long ones jimmies. Is that regional? What do you guys call them? The other exercise I'm doing here, not just celebrating summer and memories of eating ice cream sitting on the curb, but also the lesson in drawing, which is picking a single either object or topic and doing a lot of the same thing. It kind of takes your brain away from making decisions. You are simply drawing a bunch of things. So you get to just draw. You don't have to do a lot of thinking. You might look at something and go, oh, what if I did that? What if I did this? And that is the best part of drawing. That is one of the things that keeps our brain active, is we just get to make these little fun decisions. And what if I made this, and what if that happened? Yeah, that got a little, okay, those are too close to each other. Let's add a third one. I can't help but design things. I want it to look random, but, you know, it's like we make them random, but they're also composed. They're also thought through. This is cute. This is going to be really fun to paint, you guys. I hope you enjoy it along with me. And when I paint, I'm just going to paint and turn on some nice music to listen to. I encourage you to follow along or watch and then turn it off and do your own. My main point is I want you to do your own. Because this is what I love about this experience we're having together, is that everybody's going to come out different. It's so cool. So cool. Okay, obviously it needs one more right there. All right, should I put one anywhere else? Well, I wish you could talk back to me. Here, I'm going to put one right here because that's where you said. There. All right, how cute is that? I love this. Okay, I'm going to come back and paint this, and it's going to be adorable. Now I'm going to start painting, but I want to give you a little bit about the supplies I'm using. This paint set is from a company called Mei Lang. It's 24. I really like it. Lovely bright colors. This is how you spell it. And the link is in the description. And so I'm going to try to make sure you can see what I am mixing. I'm not going to do a lot of mixing because, frankly, all these ice lollies are going to be pretty bright colors straight out of the pans. And so It's not that important. Just make it cute. Whatever paint you have, you'll have enough paint to make this cute. So I'm just going to get started. I'm going to put on some really lovely music and have a blast with this because it's going to be really fun. I guarantee it. Okay, let's get going. Okay, well, I think this is super cute. It's very relaxing. It is fresh, it's fun. Whether you're drawing this on a hot summer's day, inside in air conditioning, or looking out at a gray January day, a drawing like this just makes you happy. Pick a subject that makes you happy and draw a lot of it. I can't say that's going to make you happy, but it will make you happy while you're painting it, for sure. So enjoy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your love and support. I cannot tell you how meaningful that is to me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.